Good research begins with questions. We all want to find research topics that will make a difference to our profession and to our own schools, our own practices, and our own students. Before digging in, though, you'll want to ask a lot of questions. First, what's interesting? Think about what are the problems and issues in your own school, or problems and issues you'd like to solve for your own classroom. What are some of the recent topics you've read about in professional journals, blogs, listservs, or social media? Or what are some new teaching techniques, theories, or instructional design concepts that you'd like to know more about? Brainstorm some ideas. You can discuss them with your cohort, your colleagues, or within Twitter or Facebook education groups or conversations. Think about what really connects with you. Give yourself the time to really wonder about these ideas and brainstorm some possible avenues for a couple different topics. Do a basic Google search. What comes up? What leads might there be? Do a little bit of reading. You could start with Twitter. What's being discussed there about this topic? You could read some professional information then. Go to a database and get one or two professional peer-reviewed journal articles and read a little bit more about these topics. You want to ask yourself, is this topic really interesting enough to spend more time thinking about it and to spend a lot more time researching and writing about? When you're sure, then go for it. Start by writing as many questions as you can about the topic. Don't worry about spelling and grammar and neatness. This is just for you. Keep writing every possible angle down that you can think of. You should feel excited now. If you don't, this might not be the topic for you. If you are, then start to consider what specifically you want to learn about this topic and why. All of this questioning is tiring, but it helps you to pick a really good topic and helps you to start to focus on your topic from the very start. To focus on the topic, think about what could you really do with this topic? How might you be able to apply this concept, theory, strategy, or tool to your own classroom or school? And what would you need to learn in order for that to happen? As you start to research, look at different perspectives on the issue or topic. If all the literature points in the same direction with the same conclusions, ask why. Is there something that everyone is overlooking? Is there one aspect of the issue that is really pivotal? Is there a way that you could narrow or focus this topic even more? Maybe by place, being a certain school or geographically, a certain person, meaning a certain targeted group of learners? Could you focus it by time, historically, current time, or future time, or by point of view, by different stakeholders, students, parents, administrators, or teachers? What might make your research on this topic really stand out? Keeping these guiding questions in mind will help you arrive at your research focus and ultimately your specific research question. If you have questions about this video or need some assistance with your project, feel free to contact me with questions, comments, or for additional assistance. Happy questioning!